So this is what we have just done the electric configuration of the first 20 element. So I will actually be focusing on this one here. My future video, I'm going to look at what the transition metals, right? Now, but we have what we call condensed structure or condensed electronic configuration. Now, in the sense that you don't want to be writing. Now, there will be a time where we'll be having more. Maybe if you have entered 30, 35, 50 and the rest. So we don't want to write like a long stuff there. So we have to call the condensed electronic configuration. Now the condensed electronic configuration, you use the noble gases to write the condensed electronic configuration. What do I mean? Now remember, we are focused on what first 20 elements. So now what are the noble gases? The noble gases are what? Helium. Here we have what? Neon. Here we have what? Argon. Right? Neon is what? 1x2. Now, helium is what? 1s2. Neon is what? 1x2, 2x2, 2p6. Right? Argon is what? 1x2, 2x2, 2p6, 3x2, 3p6. So now we are going to use this one here to write electronic configuration. So now let me explain to you. Sodium is what is the level, right? You want to write normally the electric configuration of sodium is what? 1x2, 2x2, 2p6, 3x1, right? Now this is called the full electric configuration. Now, how do you now write the condensed, right? From here to here is what is the argon, right? So from here to here is what? Neon. So instead of writing the other stuff here, you can just say neon square bracket then 3x1. So that is electric configuration of sodium is now what? Neon 3x1. So now your exam now is going to give you this one here because you know that you are using what the condensed electronic configuration. Now let's do for calcium. Let's for what for calcium. Yes. Let's for what for calcium. Calcium is what? 20. Ca is what? 20, right? So if you want to write the electric configuration, here we have what? 1x2, 2x2, 2p6, 3x2, 3p6, 4x2. If you should look at it very well, we have what? 20 here, right? Now, but if you want to write the electric configuration, you look at what the nearest noble gas. From here to here is the noble gas, which is what? Argon, right? So instead of writing this one here, you can just say argon 4x2. So this is how to write condensed electronic configuration. So I believe you can do for phosphorus, silicon, then chlorine. I believe you can do for all these ones for me, right? So go ahead and try this for me, right? So now before I end this video here, I want to teach you how you can actually predict, because with this electronic configuration, you can actually predict the period, the group, and the block of the elements in the periodic table just with this electronic configuration. So yeah, in this video I want to do the X and the P. In my future video I want to do the D and the F, right? So what are the tricks in predicting the period, the block, and the period, the block, and the group of elements in the periodic table. So now for S block. Now for the S block, now what you want to do here, now the trick is what? NXX. Now what is the meaning of this one here? That my highest energy was level, the block, and the electron, right? So it means that this one is what? My period, this is what? Block, and this is what? My group. It's okay. Group number, you just know about valence electron. Valence electron. So you want to take note of that very well. Valence electron. So now let's just take one for sodium. Sodium, which is what? 11. Now let's write the electric configuration and let's use the electric configuration to predict the group, the period, and the block of the elements. So here we have 1x2, 2x2, 2p6, 3x1. So what is my highest energy level? My highest energy level is 3. So you're going to go 3 x1, right? So if I should separate it out now, 3, my block, or my period is going to be period 3. That is sodium, I think what belongs to what period 3 in the periodic table, right? Sodium. Now, then the block is what? S block. Then the group, because here we have one, means what? Group 1. Yeah, so with this electric, now the main reason why this one is actually good and you need to learn it is because without your periodic table, you can actually predict the group, the period, and the block of the elements in the periodic table. That's why it's very, very vital. So as a chemistry student, you want to actually practice this stuff here. Now let's take on that one. Now let's take for magnesium. Magnesium is what? Is 12, right? So we're going to be what? 1x2, 2x2, 2p6, 3x2, right? What's my highest energy level? My highest energy level is what? This guy here, right? 3x2, right? So what was my period? Period what? 3, block what? X, group. Here we have what? Group what? 2. It's okay. Group 2. So remember, now in the periodic table we have different IUPAC system to number the group, but just taking option here when you talk about group can be what? Group 2. Now let's take on that one here. Now maybe if you have a calcium is what? 1x2, 2x2, 2p6, 3x2, 3p6, 4x2. Right? Good. Now where's my highest energy level? My highest energy level is what? 4x2. So I have to take it here, 4x2. So it means my period what? 4, right? My block what? X. My group what? 2. Yeah, so you have to take note of this here. That's what for the S what? Block, right? So now let's look at what the P what? Block. So but before we continue, if this video is actually helping you on understanding chemistry, please hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to this channel, and hit the notification bell and like this video, right? So that this video can actually spread to more people. Now, if you have what? The P block. Now, the P block is having a trick. Now, here's the trick. NXX, then NP what? Y. Right? N means what? The highest energy what? Level. Do you have the highest energy level? So, here will be what? My period. This will be what? My block. Then, to get the group, we are going to do something differently from what we've done. It will be X plus what? Y. Do you get that? So now let's take a good example. Now, aluminium. Remember, aluminium is what? 13, right? 13. So now let's write the electronic configuration for what? Aluminium. Aluminium is going to be 1x2, 2x2, 2p6, right? 3x what? 2 and 3p what? 1. If you check very well, this is what electronic configuration for what? Aluminium. So my highest energy level is what? 3, right? So it's going to be 3x2 or 3p what? 1. So here's the trick here. So my highest energy level is what? Is the period. So my period is going to be period what? 3. Now my block, of course, is going to be what? P what? Block. Then my group, I want to sum this one together here and here. I want to sum it together, which is going to be what? 2 plus 1 is what? 3. Group what? 3. Get? So any element in the periodic table that belongs to the P block. Now this is what the trick to do that. Now let's take on that one here. If you have something like this, now let us take for silicon. Silicon is what? 13, right? So now let's write the electric configuration of silicon. 1x2, 2x2, 2p6, 3x2, right? 3p. Silicon is 14. I mean, silicon is what? 14. We what? 3p what? 2, right? So how are you going to do that here? I'm going to take this one here. Right? You got 3x2, 3p2. Right? So my period what? 3 block p group what? 2 plus is what? 4. So you see how easy it is. So we are going to end our video here. Please, you need to do more practice problem in order for you to what? To master this stuff here. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please do that. Subscribe now so that you're not going to miss out on every upload we make on the channel, because this channel is dedicated to make you understand chemistry, to help you know that chemistry is not that too difficult, right? With the right person guiding you, because chemistry is what is very, very easy to understand. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell and give it a like. Because of what, recommend this video, like this channel to your friends and your classmates doing chemistry. See you in the next video.